Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a BYK micro tricolor measuring instrument and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. There's kind of one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not working right, not giving proper measurements, not calibrating correctly, stuff like that, not connecting to Wi-Fi, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is if for whatever reason you want to get this the way it was when it came out of the box with everything cleared off of it. All the readings, all the settings, all the calibration, all the connected Wi-Fi networks, the counter for measured samples, all of that stuff will be just wiped off and restored to the way it was when it came out of the box. We can go ahead and do that pretty simply on here. We're going to do this straight from the control screen. We're going to go to the configuration menu, and from configuration, you're going to select factory reset. From there, you'll get a little screen that will say, please confirm, perform factory reset, with a check mark in the upper right-hand corner and an X on the upper left-hand corner. You'll click the check in the upper right-hand corner, touch the check on the upper right-hand corner, and everything will be wiped off of it. And then when it's done, it will come up on the screen. It will say factory reset performed, and then you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.